Welcome to a space where self-expression is celebrated, individuality is embraced, and acceptance knows no bounds. This video aims to explore the training methods that can help sissy girls and crossdressers find their voices, gain confidence, and step into the light with grace and authenticity. Whether you identify as a sissy girl finding her way or someone seeking to understand and support this vibrant community better, you've stumbled upon an enlightening journey of exploration. Firstly, let's define our terms. Sissy girls are individuals who may take pleasure in expressing themselves outside traditional gender norms. Crossdressers are those who find joy in wearing clothing typically associated with the opposite sex. These identities come with diverse stories, experiences, preferences, but all share a common desire to express themselves genuinely. The purpose of this video is simple yet profound. It seeks to foster understanding and empathy towards individuals navigating life as sissy girls or crossdressers by offering insights into effective training techniques that encourage personal growth. Self-expression lies at the heart of this journey. It allows one's true identity to flourish without fear or judgment from others. It empowers individuals to embrace their uniqueness boldly while challenging societal expectations along the way. In a world often defined by conformity and rigid gender roles, discovering ways to authentically express oneself becomes crucial for personal fulfillment. By delving into various training methodologies tailored specifically for sissy girls and crossdressers alike within these pages ahead, we hope not only to educate but also inspire newfound liberation on your beautiful path towards self-discovery. Society often holds rigid expectations when it comes to gender norms and expressions. Sissy girls and crossdressers face unique challenges as they navigate this landscape. One common misconception is that sissy girls are merely seeking attention or acting out a fetish, which can be invalidating and dismissive of their identity and experiences. Another significant challenge faced by sissy girls and crossdressers is societal stigma. They may encounter prejudice, discrimination, or even violence because their expression does not conform to traditional gender expectations. This can lead to feelings of isolation, fear, shame, and self-doubt. It's crucial for society to move away from judgmental attitudes towards more acceptance and understanding. Emotional hurdles also play a role in accepting one's identity as a sissy girl or crossdresser. Many individuals who identify with these labels struggle with feelings of guilt or confusion about their desires due to internalized shame or societal pressures. Accepting oneself authentically requires working through these emotions, building self-confidence, and embracing one's true expression without apology. By acknowledging the challenges faced by sissy girls and crossdressers, including misconceptions held within society, deep-rooted stigmas, emotional obstacles, we take an important step toward fostering empathy and advocating for inclusivity in all communities. It is essential that we provide support systems that allow individuals exploring their identities the space to grow emotionally while feeling understood rather than judged. When it comes to dressing as a sissy girl or crossdresser, selecting flattering outfits can drastically boost your confidence. Consider your body shape and find clothes that accentuate your best features. Aligned dresses can create the illusion of curves, while high-waisted skirts can elongate the legs. Don't shy away from experimenting with different styles and sizes until you find what makes you feel fabulous. Incorporating personal style preferences is another way to build confidence in your feminine presentation. Embrace colors and patterns that resonate with you, whether it's bold prints or pastel hues. Accessorize strategically. A statement necklace or killer pair of heels can elevate any outfit. Remember, confidence comes from feeling good in what you're wearing, so don't be afraid to explore fashion trends and make them your own. Mastering basic makeup application skills is an empowering step towards expressing yourself confidently as a sissy girl or crossdresser. Start with foundation matching your skin tone for a flawless base. Experiment with eyeshadow palettes to define your eyes, smoky tones for dramatic looks or softer shades for a natural appearance. Once you've got the basics down, feel free to play around with different looks based on individual preferences. Love rocking vibrant lipstick? Try out different shades like bold reds or playful pinks until you find one that speaks to who you are inside. Highlight and contour techniques can add depth and femininity to facial features too. Promoting feminine body language goes beyond just dressing up. It's about learning how to move gracefully and exude confidence in every step. Pay attention to gestures. Crossing arms may give off defensive vibes, while gentle hand movements portray elegance. Practicing good posture is crucial when portraying feminine qualities authentically. Stand tall with shoulders back and head held high as if a string is gently pulling you upwards. Yoga or Pilates can enhance flexibility and core strength, helping to maintain an elegant posture effortlessly. Embrace the power of body language, as it not only affects how others perceive you but also boosts your own self-assurance. Dealing with negative reactions from others. One of the most significant challenges that sissy girls and crossdressers may face is negative reactions from others. Unfortunately, there is still a lack of understanding and acceptance in society when it comes to gender identity and nonconformity. It's important to remember that how people react says more about them than it does about you. Their negativity often stems from ignorance or fear. When faced with negative reactions, it can be helpful to educate others about your identity or experiences if you feel safe doing so. Sharing resources or personal stories can help challenge stereotypes and misconceptions surrounding sissy girls and crossdressers, ultimately fostering empathy and understanding. However, not every situation calls for education. Sometimes it's best to prioritize your own well-being by walking away from toxic individuals who refuse to respect your authentic self. Building a support network. Building a support network is essential for the emotional well-being of sissy girls and crossdressers. Seek out communities where you can connect with individuals who share similar experiences, challenges, and goals as yourself. Online forums, social media groups, or local LGBTQ+ organizations are great places to start. In addition to finding online or in-person support groups specifically for sissy girls or crossdressers, consider seeking allies within the broader LGBTQ+ community who understand the struggles of gender non-conforming individuals. Allies can provide valuable guidance while offering a safe space for sharing thoughts, concerns, victories, and setbacks. Remember that having supportive friends or loved ones outside the community is equally crucial. People who accept you unconditionally without judgment contribute significantly towards building resilience in navigating any social challenges that arise along this journey of self-discovery as a sissy girl or crossdresser. Embracing personal style and self-expression is a fundamental part of training for sissy girls and crossdressers. It allows individuals to authentically express themselves, feel confident in their identities, and discover a sense of liberation. When it comes to personal style, there are no boundaries or limitations. Each individual has the freedom to explore various fashion choices, experiment with different looks, and find what makes them feel comfortable and empowered. One effective way to delve into personal style is by exploring fashion resources that cater specifically to the needs of sissy girls and crossdressers. Online communities dedicated to these lifestyles can provide inspiration as well as practical advice on makeup techniques, styling tips, and outfit combinations. Additionally, seeking out role models within the community who exude confidence in their own unique styles can be empowering for those just starting their journey. Building self-confidence plays an integral role in training for sissy girls and crossdressers. It involves embracing one's identity without fear or shame while navigating societal pressures or misunderstandings about gender expression. Confidence-building exercises could include affirmations practiced daily to reinforce positive self-image or engaging in activities that challenge social stigmas surrounding gender roles. Another aspect of building self-confidence is developing resilience against negativity from others. Unfortunately, society may not always be accepting or understanding towards individuals who do not conform to traditional expectations regarding gender expression. Understanding that negative opinions stem from ignorance rather than inherent worthiness helps maintain a strong sense of self-esteem. Moreover, connecting with supportive networks such as support groups both online or offline enables individuals within this community an opportunity for validation while facilitating friendships where they can share experiences freely without judgment, enhancing one's confidence further still. Self-acceptance is an essential element in any journey of personal growth, especially for sissy girls and crossdressers. Embracing who you are, despite societal conventions or expectations, can be empowering and liberating. One way to encourage self-acceptance is by surrounding yourself with a supportive community. Seek out online forums, support groups, or social media communities where you can connect with others who share similar experiences. Another valuable tool for self-acceptance is exploring your own interests and passions without fear of judgment. Engage in activities that make you feel genuinely happy and fulfilled, whether it's creating artwork, dabbling in fashion design, or even practicing makeup skills. Surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy will not only boost your self-confidence but also reinforce the idea that there is no right or wrong way to express oneself. Embracing individuality means celebrating what makes each person unique, including sissy girls and crossdressers. It's vital to remember that gender expression comes on a vast spectrum, encompassing a diverse range of identities and preferences. Society may try to impose narrow definitions of masculinity or femininity upon us, but it's crucial to resist these pressures and embrace our authentic selves. By standing proud in our individuality as sissy girls or crossdressers, expressing ourselves freely through clothing choices or other elements, we challenge societal norms one stride at a time. Remember that every step taken towards accepting ourselves helps pave the way for increased acceptance from others too. Ultimately, training as a sissy girl or crossdresser involves not only developing practical skills such as styling techniques but also fostering mental strength through self-reflection and embracing who we truly are deep inside, beautifully unique individuals bravely navigating our own paths towards happiness and fulfillment.